Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make salmon and asparagus. First, gather your ingredients: 2 salmon fillets, 1 bunch of fresh asparagus, a couple tablespoons of olive oil, and your favorite seasonings like salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven heats, pat your salmon fillets dry with a paper towel and trim the tough, woody ends off the asparagus spears. This simple preparation ensures everything cooks perfectly. Now, let's get that salmon ready for the oven. Drizzle each fillet with about 1 tablespoon of olive oil, then season generously with salt, pepper, and any other spices you enjoy. Place the salmon skin side down on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper for easy cleanup. Bake in the preheated oven for 12 to 15 minutes, or until the salmon flakes easily with a fork. The exact time depends on the thickness of your fillets. While the salmon bakes, prepare your asparagus. Toss the trimmed spears with 1 tablespoon of olive oil, salt, and pepper. After the salmon has cooked for about 5 to 7 minutes, add the seasoned asparagus to the same baking sheet. Roast for an additional 8 to 10 minutes, or until the asparagus is tender crisp and a vibrant green. This method allows both components to finish cooking around the same time. Your delicious salmon and asparagus are now ready to enjoy. Carefully remove the baking sheet from the oven and serve immediately. A fresh lemon wedge squeezed over the top adds a wonderful bright finish to both the fish and vegetables. This simple, healthy meal is packed with flavor and nutrients, perfect for any weeknight. For more great tips and deals, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, be sure to check the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.